Vika Kagadi Vicariate Monsieur Peter Kabarenge ubwo ari kuherezayo ubutumwa bwe ahari Kabuga na Kanyarara Catholic Sub Parish omuri Kagadi Parish yashaba bikiriza ukora n'amani omwaka musya no kushaba munonga.
Catholic Sub Parish, I encourage the Christians to love God and our country, as our motto is, to work hard in this new year. They should not remain stagnant, neither should they be on a declining level, but should be always progressive. Follow what the President said. But they go also work for money. When they have money, the church is also okay and their homes are okay.
Ibyo bikiri aho Deputy RDC Kibale Godfrey Kamkama na District Police Commander wa Kagadi District Kenneth Akampurira barabura bikiriza amuhondano yo maka na mnongo mwaka musya ogw'2025.
New year, I am calling upon abantu binamaka okugira kwa they call financial discipline. Abakwa January netorori niyobwire twine mu fees twazipenge munonga mu Christmas mbweno oyinaka senteje akagwateje kandi turebera makagito turekeraho kuyomba na families no amino mushije n'umukazi kuyomba mbere twa mama kagatana then abana babutaka kubona mwenti kikubonemi munonga reka abantu barukoke barjumarwa bazumukanisa n'imiziki bashabe
ubarokora kandi n'ekindi tukikora amakuru gona kusangozwire yo kwase bunyaka byo binyo byona wabiguza wabiteka nyene okoze isoce okozere isoce okoze by'umurembe ozwire gomesi konke bigira hasi n'empya teze bigire konka